Hello, I'm Dwayne from Dwayne Outdoor Adventures. Like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take the crossbows that I just waxed up the strings and the rails on previously, and I'm going to take a shot with each one of them. And it's probably just going to be one shot because I know they're both on, but I just want to make sure that that wax gets into everything. Once you go through the motion of cocking it back and shooting it, then you know that those strings are fully waxed everywhere they need. Now let's go take a shot. Not bad for shooting free-handed. Now I'm gonna go get the Vital X Killer Instinct. Now we'll go shoot it. Okay, it's not bad too. Okay, I took a shot with the Killer Instinct Lethal 405 crossbow. And look how it took the wax with the string. Look how the wax is pretty much settled into the string with one shot. And I took a shot with the new Vital X Killer Instinct. As you can see, the limbs are different, but it's a 405. And the same thing, even though there's some in a channel, but mostly all the wax is taken in with the string. And there you have it. Both